Hey guys, and welcome back to the Hobbydude 007 channel and Model Cars and Coffee with Hobbydude. Back in October, I put a challenge out to all content creators, whether YouTube, Facebook. If you have a presence in the model car community, this challenge was for you. And a number of you have already jumped on the bandwagon. Some of you have asked questions and been excited about it. But the challenge was to do a channel signature vehicle. If you remember my 40 Ford sedan delivery, it had my logo on it, and in the back there was a model car workbench with all the accessories and stuff. Well, that was really fun, but I thought it would be really fun for all of us to do that and debut them all at the Southern Nationals for 2026 in Atlanta this year, or in Cartersville this year. So if you are not involved in it, here's another invitation. What I want to share with you today is the two that I intend to do. One for an update, so to speak, to my 40, as well as Hippie Dude's got to get involved. So let me share that with you.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
Okay guys, I want to clarify something real quick. Your signature vehicle does not have to be a panel van, box truck, anything like that. Now if you want to do that, that's great, but it doesn't have to be that. If your signature vehicle is going to be a race car, whether it's a stock car, drag car, whatever, with your channel's logo and name on it, that's fine. Whatever you want, if you want to do a station wagon, that's fine. Many of us are doing trucks, and I want to share with you what I want to do for mine. My logo on my first signature truck was just basic, black, white, red pinstripes, all that stuff. And I'm going to do this chopped Metro van, and this is from Wall to Wall Hobbies. Jeff did a great job, and he's got, I think, 3, maybe 4 different vans, and I'll share another one with you here in a minute too. But this is the chopped Metro, and is that just not, this is fun, guys. But I can see my logo. Our buddy Irv Arter has already jumped on this with both feet, and as you see here, he's done 2 different versions, and I love both of them. He's ahead of the game already, and he's working on a 3rd one called the Glue Bomb, which is really cool. Everybody that's gotten involved seems to be kind of excited about it so far, and I do hope others get involved. But I'm going to do kind of what Irv did here. I'm going to remove this this belt right here and kind of smooth that out. I do want to change my colors up, because my colors on the other one, like I said, are a metallic black, a metallic charcoal kind of, and white with the red pinstripe. I want to change that up a little bit. And I look back on that now, and it's kind of a boring combo, but I don't want to get it too wild either, but I want to have some fun with it, and just something else to add. These kits, and like I said, this is from Wall to Wall Hobby. You can go to walltowallhobbies.com. The website will be up, I think, the 1st of February, so be checking on that. And check out everything that Jeff's got there too. But this is just cool. You got the chassis. It came with, now I've got a couple of sets of tires I'll be sharing with you here in just a second on that. But it also came with the seats. And I love this. Check out those skirts. If you wanted to do fender skirts, you've got skirts there. And this, I wasn't going to use this, I didn't think, but after seeing Irv's, I don't know how I can't. But the visor that you saw on all the older trucks, oh, man, that is cool. And check out the captain's chairs that go in there. I love it. I love it. But it's pretty much a complete kit. The tires that I've chosen so far, I've got about 3 or 4 sets from different locations, or from different vendors. Excuse me. I'm trying to do something and I can't do 2 things at once, apparently. But I've got a set of artilleries here, and these are the staggered, and these are multi-piece. These are from Kenny K-Dog at Bandit Resins, and as you see here, you've got a really good looking tire, and you notice you got the white wall here. Well, I'm just making a mess. So you got your white wall, and then you've got the artilleries and the outer trim ring, and I'm thinking I may go this route on this, and they're staggered, so you've got a little smaller version. Same thing, two-piece wheel with, and that white wall that you can pop out and paint. That really is a good looking shred pattern too. And I was thinking about doing these, good wide tire back here, and kind of setting it a little bit, maybe right about there, and then put the arter rake on it. But I'm not sure about that yet. And I got these from Kenny as well. These are the old school artilleries with the broad white wall. And this is just stuff I'm going to have to play with, guys, till I figure out what it is. And you got 3 different size and widths of tires with this one. I'm thinking that right there looks really cool right about there. And then you've got the really small ones. But I'm thinking the one in the middle here, you notice these 2 different widths. I'm thinking that one right there might look pretty good too. Right about there maybe. I don't know. I'm still playing with that, and you'll see some other tires and wheels. I just picked up some at the Hope It Don't Snow show from Matthew too that I really need to get out and take a look at those against this as well. But I'm thinking those are going to look really good. But I'm going to change up the colors. Instead of black, I'm going to go with a metallic medium blue and a kind of a steel blue. I'm still going to keep the red stripe and the white, of course. But and I'll have my daughter do the decals, the Hobbydude 007 decals and logo again. But yeah, check that out. And go over to the Arter Rake and check out Irv's builds. You get to see him under construction at all he's done so far. And let me tell you guys, he's done a killer job on these things. But it was his idea to remove this panel here. And I really kind of agree with that, because it really does look a lot better too with that smooth down through there. Okay, next up, I'm going to do one for Hippie-Dude, and it is going to be the Hippie-Dude hot sauce. Y'all, many of you know that I have a signature brand of hot sauce, and as you see there, Hippie-Dude hot sauce. It ain't cool, man. Habanero, yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. This is some stout stuff, but anyway, I'm going to do one for Hippie-Dude hot sauce, and so I'll have to have some custom decals made. I'll get with Terry and Patrice over at STS on this, but as you see, it should be kind of colorful and hippie-ish. So, and the van I'm going to use for that is one that Irv also, I think Irv and I picked both of these vans up at about the same time. And this one is the Mini. He makes this one too, and there is a Chevy as well, so there might be 5 trucks. But this is the Mini-Mite Metro, as you see there. Isn't that fun? And this one comes with all kinds of goodies. You got the interior. You got the tires and wheels that come with this one. You've got the bumper, steering wheel. You got the seats. You've got everything you need here. And I haven't thought about these wheels, but I do have some set aside for this one that I think are going to look really good. Let's have a look at these. Now that's old school. That's kind of a good looking wheel. Oop, I think I got the wrong one for the wrong. I think these are staggered. They are staggered as well. See if we get one of the small ones there. Well, anyway, oh, that needs to be cleaned up. But anyhow, well, I got it in there backwards, but you see, to me, these just look a little bit small, and I could be wrong. I'm going to paint them up, and I'll get them on there and just kind of mock it up and take a look at it. But the ones I set aside for it are some Pegasus wheels. And I'm going to go through all my tires and wheels from Matthew from Model Car Videos and MCV Products. And we're going to take a look. But these, I think, look at that. That's a little bit bigger than the ones that come in it, and I think those are going to look good too. But with that, the color scheme with white and that kind of a teal, I don't know what you'd call that, light bluish, with all these logos on it, I think that will look really cool. But and look how smooth and clean these things are. Again, head over to mcvproducts.com. Check out the tires, wheels, engines, all of the accessories you can conceivably need. And go over to walltowallhobbies.com 1st of February, sometime in February, and order you your van and accessories there too. If you're going to jump in on this, and I hope you do, guys. I really, really do. And you know, I don't know if Irv, I got to go back and look, remove one of these belts on here or not, but I may do that too. So I have a bigger panel for Hippie Dude, but I think that'll be fun. I think that'll be fun. I know Kelly Coons picked up the Chevrolet box van, and oh mercy, there's a lot of people getting in on this thing. But and I hope you do. Like I said, if you're not, and I think that's it, guys. Oh, there's more stuff in here. I think this is the, yep, that's the chassis. There's all kinds of stuff. And I probably left something out on the big Metro there, too. But, again, there's your invite. Please jump in. We'll debut them at Acme. I really think this will be fun. Guys, thanks a bunch. If you are one of those affected by the weather this weekend, God bless. Hope everything is well for you. Amanda and I are staying warm. We're staying in because this ice storm, and I've got more sense than to get out in this mess. But hope y'all have an absolutely awesome week. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Love you guys. See ya.